Hello friend, today I have a Lexus LS400 customer complaint, remote system not working, door lock unlock, remote system not working. In this video I will show you location of the remote control ECU. Where is the location for the remote control ECU and how to diagnose the system. Before we any diagnose, first we check the remote control system. Remote is working. Remote is good. Problem inside the car. This ECU 7-pin connector behind the glove box located. This ECU located behind the glove box. 7 pin in the connector. This is the remote control ECU. Pin number 1 is ground, pin number 7 is B positive. 3 and 4 RDA and RCD signal to the BCM. Send the signal to the BCM. White, black ground and red last wire 7 number is positive. First I check power and ground. This is the wiring diagram. Pin number 1 is ground and pin number 7 is positive. And pin 3 and 4. Pin 3 is RCD signal back to the BCM and RDA signal back to the BCM. Okay. First we check the pin number 7 positive and pin number ground. If power and ground is good, then we check the remote control ECU. This is RDA. Go straight to the BCM. This is the BCM. RDA and RCD. Pin number 3, pin number 4. This is the BCM. Body control module located behind the left side of the dash. I put the tester in the battery and I check the power and ground in the remote control ECU. Pin 1 is ground. Okay, ground is good. Positive also is good. Positive power and ground is good. And this is the RDA signal from BCM, and this is RCD signal. Uh, this is the RCD signal. Now check in oscilloscope. I connect everything back. This is RDA signal. I put the pin in pin number 3 and push the button remote control. You can see change in the oscilloscope. It means remote system is good, but the question is why the door lock is not working. Problem 100% in the BCM. I changed the BCM. You can see everything is good. A remote control system is good. And also wiper is good. Wiper customer complaint. Also the wiper is not working in full speed. Only working in full speed, not working 1 and 2 number speed. Everything is good. If you change the BCM, must you need to change this EEPROM, 8-pin EEPROM, located near the microchip. There is 8-pin chip. You can see. You must need to change this one from old one to new one because the program inside this chip. Thank you for watching. This is the program chip for remote. Not for starting, not for emo, only for remote.